I'd like to thank Paul Ballet for going through and sending me this backpack, which can go through and hold your cats or small dogs. It does come with this, which is really nice. It's really solid. This does have swivel lock-on wheels, which were very easy to put on. You just pull it off there with a button and then just snap it on and they're on, and they can go 360 no problem. Then you can go ahead and just put the backpack on the wheels, and you have this, and this is telescopic, so this goes up no problem. Really nice piece here. And then you have the backpack itself. Let me go through and just give you a quick overview. Here we go. This gives you just a quick overview of what it looks like. Really nice and solid, made of great material. Have a bunch of pockets here and zipper here, and then you have a big pocket here, and you also have like a screen here. This will keep the sun out of the pet's eyes, so you have that there. Lots of breathable areas, so you don't have to worry about that. There's a pad that goes inside that's reversible. It's either warmer or cooler depending on the time of season, so that's really nice to have that too. Let's go ahead and show you a little more about it. Here we'll just go over the features of the bag. Again, you have something at the top to go through and keep the sun out, and that opens as well. You have this piece that comes in. The one side is nice and warm, or the other one's kind of cool. So you can put that in anytime to keep the cat nice and warm or cool. There's also a little wire in there to go through and connect like your leash inside if you wanted to. And the cats do really love this, and you're going to see this in a moment. I'm going through and just showing you the pockets. That's very well padded on the back. You got another zipper pouch in there. And this opens into making it even larger. This is kind of like so the cats can hang out after you go through and you're done backpacking with them. And you can see they're so intrigued. And once we open it up, we don't really even have to get them in. They just kind of go in by themselves. You know, they're curious and they like it. I did have to go through and maybe get him all the way in a little bit, but he did like it and he was very intrigued. And they just love it. So here you go through and see you could zip that up so they can't go out on that side if you want to keep it closed and keep them contained. And that does fold back in. It took me a minute to go through and get it, but once you do it once, you'll have it. You just got to fold it inside a bit, and then it goes through and zips back up. And then the straps itself are also very padded, which is good when you have a lot of weight, especially if the cats are heavier, and you have some nice things there as well. So overall, very good backpack if you're looking to go through and have your cats, and you also like have the roller as well, so you can roll them if you'd rather do that. You just go through and put it on, and then you can roll away.